In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Velo future while examining the Velo token cost figure for 2023 and then some, or so they thought. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to generally think about this and any extremely other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Velo token in an unpretentious manner. Presently, how about we head into it, or so they thought, before we dive profound into the Velo token value expectation and answer questions in the event that Velo is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Velo succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Velo really token value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Velo generally is and its to-date history, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo value expectation for the especially next 10 days, or so they thought. The entire crypto world explicitly is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin truly has fallen 75% from its untouched extremely high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon generally is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers especially are selling hazardous resources and moving into kind of additional steady business sectors, which is genuinely huge. Crypto sort of is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the fundamentally second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations, which is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We for the most part have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model explicitly is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and really other greater players in the market to generally wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike incredibly. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we for the most part assess fundamentally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other really exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, which is genuinely huge. 2023-0210. Plus 4.87% $0 0028 2023 0211 1.53% $0 0027 2023 0212 plus 0.19% $0 0027 2023 0213 plus 6.39% $0 2023-0214 plus 4.88% $0 0028 2023 0215 plus 3.27% $0 0028 2023 0216 4.54% $0 0026 2023 0217 plus 4.63% $0 0028 2023 0218 0.04% $0 2023-0219 6.48% $0 0025 2023 0220 plus 0.03% $0 token value expectation 2023 exceptionally high expansion and very dangerous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we essentially take the inward crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely, all things considered, see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to basically slip lower with every minor market quake. Captain Altcoin's expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 20.94% $0 0021 2023 APRA 39.03% $0 0016 2023 May 28.69% $0 0019 2023 Gen 21.30% $0 0021 2023 Jul 14.95% $0 0023 2023 AUG 8.97% $0 $0.0025, 2023 SEP 6.70% $0, 0025, 2023 Oct plus 0.41% $0, 0027, 2023 NOV plus 9.72% $0, 0030, 2023 DEC plus 14.37% $0, 0031, 2024 JAN plus 24.36% $0, 0034, 2024 Feb plus 26.00% $0 value forecast 2025 to 2030 2040 Our expectation model sees Velo arriving at new highs in 2025. $0 cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to fundamentally be 2 or 3 significant degrees higher than our 2025 expectation. What will Velo be worth in 5 years? The cost of Velo in 5 years could especially lie around $0 as per Captain Altcoin's forecast model amazingly. What Velo will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Velo coming to $0 in 2030, or so they thought. What Velo will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Velo coming to $0 in 2040. Will Velo supplant, outperform, explicitly overwhelm Bitcoin in an unobtrusive manner? No, Velo won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Velo at any point reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Velo to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period in a significant manner. For what reason will Velo fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around plan showcasing methodology, losing local area support, exceptionally possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation in an unpretentious manner. How high will Velo go in a significant manner? Our Guanjing model sees Velo cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Velo worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for Velo. It is for the most part worth purchasing just as an essentially momentary hypothesis with a great leave methodology. Velo is certainly not an excellent pretty long-haul hold, or so they most certainly thought. Is Velo a for the most part wise interest in a significant manner? Velo explicitly is definitely not a wise interest in that frame of mind in a significant way. Why? Which is genuinely huge. Indeed, it faces a furious rivalry from fundamentally other comparable crypto projects, doesn't explicitly stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't for the most part have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the undertaking is doubtful. Could Velo at any point really make you a mogul in a significant manner? No, Velo could not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. How kind of much will Velo for the most part be worth? For the momentary future, it could in a real sense reach $0. In the long haul, it will most genuinely reasonable drop to 0 or somewhere around there. For what reason will Velo succeed and essentially get more expensive? Velo has a remote possibility of succeeding, as opposed